invite you to join me right now for a short guided meditation. Okay, all you got to do is find a comfortable position. Sitting up or lying down is fine. You're going to shut down the eyes, take a deep breath, and then just practice over this little period of time, just a few minutes, releasing your thoughts over and over. That's all you're doing. At first, you can use this little phrase, I am. You can just repeat it over and over. And then as you find the thoughts kind of start to dissipate, then you can just be in the quietness, continue to let go, and just reach that meditative state for this little while. Okay? Ready? Go ahead and close the eyes. Take a nice deep breath in. Let it go. And begin to inwardly, you don't have to say it verbally, just inwardly say to yourself, I am. I am. As you notice thoughts arise, let them go over and over. That's your only job. Your only practice is to just keep letting the thoughts go. All right, allow the breath to deepen. You can bring your awareness back into your body. Even open your eyes. And just notice how you feel. Okay, and thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. If you would like more, hit the like button and follow and subscribe on YouTube for longer 15-minute versions as well.